Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be looking at Android Developer Preview 2 for Android 12 on the Pixel 4a. And this isn't going to be so much as a what's new in Developer Preview 2 as it is going to be how well Android 12 runs on the Pixel 4a, because I just picked this Pixel 4a up yesterday for the purpose of doing this beta testing and Developer Preview testing, just because I wanted to try it out and make some videos on it. And I was actually quite surprised on how well everything is running on this device. The Pixel 4a is $349 at Best Buy right now. I believe it was, $349. I want to say $349 or $399. Best Buy charges different whether you get it activated there or not, so I can't remember which one it was exactly. They do have it available, $150 more. You can get a 5G Pixel 4a. Now, if you were going to do that, I would just go up to the Pixel 5, but I was actually quite surprised. Really like this device. It's quite light. It's small, fits in one hand, easy to use. Kind of reminds me of the iPhone SE, that size and form factor. It has a very quick fingerprint sensor. It works almost instantly, unlocking the device. No issues with that. I like how it blends into the back of the phone. But this isn't a review on the Pixel 4a right now. I'll do one of those later. But I am running Android Developer Preview 2. Here's the build number right down there. And if we go to right here, you can see Android version S, which is like the code name for Android 12. For whatever reason, they give it a letter instead of the number when it's in the beta, the developer preview and beta stages, and then they change it to the number after. Don't know why they do that, but it's been like that since they started stopped naming them with the desserts and stuff like that. But very fluent and smooth. Everything is working great. All the apps just open right up. No issues, no lag, no stutter. I was quite surprised on how fast the apps just load up without stuttering and all that kind of stuff. It does have 6 gigs of RAM with the Snapdragon 730 CPU, so I knew it was going to be okay, but I wasn't expecting it to be this good, especially not on a developer preview. So I don't recommend running the developer preview on a daily device. That's why, like I said, I picked this up, and the Pixels get the updates faster. So there is that, but very, very, very well. So I'm quite interested to see how this is going to run on more high-powered devices and in the future when it's farther along and it comes out to the beta testers and that kind of stuff. I'm Colin with Techout. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments section below. And as always, don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and have a great day.